Kia ora guys, I just wanted to show you how I would start my informational poster. So up the top I have the kiwi, which is my title, which I will underline. In the middle I have my kiwi drawing, and then around it I have some boxes, and then I have my heading, characteristics, and then under that I have my subheading, physical appearance. And then I've just put some facts that I found out about the kiwi's physical appearance under there. You can set this out differently to this, by all means. You don't have to do it like this. This is just an example. So in this box I might have diet, habitat, maybe the background to the kiwi, so scientific classification, which means what type of animal it is, the length of its life, and anything else interesting. Just remember, it is very important that you have the heading or your title, your picture, your headings, and your subheadings. You could even do arrows to your picture and the characteristics that show that. So the kiwi has feathers like here. So you can see in this picture, they're not the usual feathers that you would think. They are quite thin. And just make sure you refer to that slide a few slides prior to the one that you are currently on, where it says let's break it down, and it's got the bullet points. But you should have done most of the work yesterday, so today is just about presenting it. I would also love for you to add colour if you have colouring pencils. Think of it like this is paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and paragraph 4, just like a piece of writing.